Салам достор, менин атым Томми. Бүгүн силер менен биз сыйкырлуу токойго саякатка барабыз. Англис алфавити менен таанышкыңар келеби? Кеттик.
A is for ant, so tiny and small, marching in a line, not scared at all.
B is for butterfly, flying so high. With colorful wings, it dances in the sky.
Letter C is for cat, hiding in the tree. Meow, meow, come and play with me.
D is for deer, running very fast. Through the trees, it zooms right past.
A is for eagle, soaring way up high.
Spreading its wings and touching the sky. F is for frog, hopping up and down. Ribbit, ribbit, all around the town.
G is for grass, green and tall.
Soft and tickly, fun for all. H is for hedgehog, rolling into a ball. Curled up tight, so round and small.
I is for inchworm, crawling
Oh, so slow, one little step, then off it goes.
Wigglers. J is for jaybird, singing a song.
Tweet, 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 come sing along.
K is for kangaroo, hopping so high.
Jumping with joy, reaching for the sky. L is for lion, roaring so loud. The king of the jungle, standing so proud. M is for monkey, swinging on a tree, chattering away so wild and free.
N is for nightingale, singing a tune, a sweet melody beneath the moon.
O is for owl, hooting so wise, with big round eyes under the skies.
P is for penguin, waddling on ice, sliding around, oh so nice.
Q is for quail, running with speed, through the brush as quick as can be.
R is for rabbit, hopping around, fluffy and fast, hardly touching the ground.
S is for snake, slithering so low, sliding and twisting wherever it goes.
T is for tiger with stripes bold and bright.
Crawling the jungle full of might. U is for unicorn, sparkling with grace, with a shimmering mane and a magical face. For unicorn, sparkling with grace, with a shimmering and a magical face. V is for vulture, flying so high, circling the sky, watching from up high. W is for wolf, howling at night, echoing through the woods, a beautiful sight.
X is for xeris,
Scurrying so fast, with a fluffy tail racing past.
Y is for yak,
Strong and tall, climbing the mountains, never to fall. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white, standing in the forest, looking so bright.
Вау, бул абдан кызыктуу болду. Биз көптөгөн достор менен таанышып, Адан Zга чейинки бардык тамгаларды үйрөндүк. Жарайсыңар баарыңар. Силер эң мыкты алфавит изилдөөчүсүңөр. Бүгүн силерге жакты деп ишенем. Кийинки жолу дагы бир кызыктуу саякатка чыгабыз. Эмнени үйрөнөбүз экен? Аны билүү үчүн кайра кайтып келгиле. Кош достор, жакында кайрадан жолугушабыз.